Who is Fatema? I mean, where do you come from? Where did you study? How did you get into this line of business?
Well, I've been doing this now for the past 21 years. Let me start at the beginning. I did my O-levels and A-levels here in Nairobi. And as we all had to during that time, we had to go off to university. And at that time, I wanted to do architecture because we had to choose. But I think more importantly for me, I come from a medical family. My two big brothers are doctors. I'm surrounded by doctors, and I knew one thing for sure is when I opened their medical books is I didn't want to be a doctor. So I went more in the art direction. And as I was about to go to university, I had this nagging feeling that I really maybe didn't really want to do architecture full on. And it's a blessing in disguise because it was already September and we'd already enrolled into university. I ended up getting a place at Kingston University for a diploma in art in the UK. For a diploma in art and design. I mean, my dad had to get onto the plane with me and carry my massive portfolio, which was a fourth subject that I'd taken at as A-levels. And I say it's a blessing in disguise because I learned so much about the different fields in art and design. We did everything from graphics design to illustration art to life drawings to performing arts, that it really gave me an insight as to what I wanted to specialize in art and design. And I built my portfolio up for a place in interior architecture. Okay. So I did my BA honours in interior architecture in Nottingham Trent University in the UK, which was a 4-year sandwich program. And it was a fabulous course. I mean, I think it changed so much about what I understood about design, and not just interior design, interior architecture, you know. And I came back to Kenya after having graduated in 1998, and I started working at Planning Interiors Limited from 19th May 1999.
Oh wow, you've been around for long. It doesn't show, definitely.
Did I just give away my age?